Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Next in Solutions. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to install Linux in our Windows system. For this you have to go to the control panel. I'll type control panel in my search bar. There is an option Programs, just click on it and then turn Windows features on or off. For installing Linux in your Windows system, you have to turn on certain features. First feature is Virtual Machine Platform and second feature is Windows Subsystem for Linux. These two features are already turned on in my laptop, but if you are using it for the very first time, you have to turn it on. The Virtual Machine Platform and then Windows Subsystem for Linux. Just click on the OK, as these features are already turned on in my laptop, so it will not give me an option to restart my device. But if you are doing it for the very first time, it will give you an option to restart your device. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to just restart your device and then download the Ubuntu. So guys, when your device get restarted and you are done with your features turning on, you have to go to the Microsoft Store. And type Ubuntu in your search. There will be multiple versions of Ubuntu present in your Microsoft Store. You have to click on Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS. Click on the Get and it will start downloading. It will take some time for it to get downloaded. So guys, you have seen that our Ubuntu has been installed and I'll now open it up. You have noticed that it takes a bit longer one. So let's open it up. After opening the Ubuntu, it will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes and then you will have this type of interface. You might face an error of WSL. For that you need to update your WSL. For updating WSL, you need to go to the command prompt and update it through the commands prompt. So now let's enter a new Unix username. I'll type in ds and just click enter. It will ask you to write your new password. I will write ngs123, but make sure that you remember your password. And while typing your password will not be visible on your screen. Click enter. Retype your new password. which you added before. I added NGS123 and then press enter. This said our password updated successfully. Now you can update your Linux. For this, the command is sudo apt space update, enter, and type your new password, that is NGS123, enter, and it started working. It will again take some time to complete updating. So it is done with updating procedure, but 35 packages can be upgraded. For this, we have to set a command, that is sudo space apt space upgrade. It will upgrade your 35 packages. Press enter. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. I'll type Y and then enter. It start upgrading. Again, it will take some time for completing its procedure. So finally you are done with it. Your Linux is all set to do the analysis of whatever the data you want to analyze. Thank you so much for watching my video.